Today we're going to be taking a look at Rough Country's new heavy-duty winch cleat. They are forged aluminum and come anodized red or flat black. They have a 15,000 pound weight capacity and can be used as a D-ring or with a D-ring. First step is to remove the factory hook simply by taking out the cotter pin or split key depending on where you are in the country. Move out the shear pin and take the hook off. Installation of the cleat is the exact opposite. I'll drop the pin in from the top being associated with the RC embossed on the cleat. Put in the split pin or cotter pin and bend it. You're obviously not going to leave it dangling like this, so you'll tighten the winch up. And you can either set it like that or it is cammed ever so slightly to accept flat mount. So the cleat can be used as a D-ring or as a substitute for a D-ring. One example is with our soft shackle and the factory recovery hooks on the JL. Now you'll take the soft shackle and loop it around the factory recovery hook of the JL, and then once you've got that in place, you'll take the cleat and attach it to the soft shackle, and you've got a means to pull that JL out without marring up the finish of either vehicle. Rough Country's winch cleat is a versatile product to add to your off-road recovery setup, and it looks great too. So get yours today. You don't want me picking it up. Oh, tripped up there a little bit.
Gotcha.